on shelves in 2013, the Air Jordan 10 Steel Grey is set to return in 2025, according to sources close to Ho. Originally designed by Tinker Hatfield during Michael Jordan's first retirement, the silhouette famously features a commemorative outsole that lists MJ's career achievements to that point, one of the most iconic elements of the Air Jordan line. For the 2025 edition, the original outsole returns, complete with the OG dark powder blue Jumpman branding, a detail that was swapped for red in the 2013 version. The classic toe cap overlay also makes a comeback, staying true to the 1994 debut. White leather uppers are accented by bold black and light steel gray trim, faithfully recreating the original look. A first preview of the retro pair has now surfaced, with the release expected on Saturday, August 2, 2025, via Nike.com and select Jordan brand retailers.